How many genders are there? Explain the biological differences between them. There are a huge amount of genders. Here are 15 genders to know about. Agender, a person who has no sense of gender. Androgyne, a person whose gender is a combination of male and female, though not necessarily in equal amounts. Autogender, a person whose experience of gender is directly related to their experience of the world as a person with autism. Bigender, a person who has two genders they switch between or experience simultaneously. Demigirl, a person who is somewhat male, but not entirely. Demigirl, a person who is somewhat female, but not entirely gender fluid, a person whose gender fluctuates between multiple genders in a fluid way. Genderqueer, an umbrella term for a person whose gender is not strictly male nor strictly female, sometimes used synonymously with non-binary. Man, a person who identifies with the male gender, maybe either trans or cisgender. Neutrois, a person whose gender is neutral or absent. Neutrois is an umbrella term which includes a variety of genders, including agender. Non-binary, a person whose gender is outside the gender binary, not strictly male nor strictly female. Polygender, a person who has two or more genders that they switch between or experience simultaneously, includes bigender. Transfeminine, a person who is transgender in the direction of femininity, but may or may not be a woman. Transmasculine, a person who is transgender in the direction of masculinity, but may or may not be a man-woman, a person who identifies with the female gender, maybe either trans or cisgender. There are many more outside of that. This is just a good starting point.